Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. I can't wait to show you the magic that's in this video. What I'm about to show you today is gonna blow your mind.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm pumped.
Growing up, I've always loved fried chicken. I mean, who doesn't? KFC was one of my favorites. But the last couple of years, let's just say that I haven't been able to eat it as frequently or as guilt-free as I once used to. And especially if you are on a fat loss journey, fitting them into your diet is not the easiest. But like always, guys, today we are gonna make it happen. Today we will be making some super quick, super easy, low calorie, high protein, crispy fried chicken. It might not taste exactly like the ones you get at KFC, but I promise you it's gonna taste amazing and it's gonna satisfy those cravings. So if you are ready to get this video underway, you know the drill. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below. Any kind of comment, guys, anything is appreciated, good, bad. As long as you comment, it takes literally 2 seconds, so please do it. Okay, now let's get started. Moving on to the ingredients, you will need 1 kg of chicken thighs, and what I like to do first is wash them and cut out the unnecessary fat wherever I can. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano or Italian seasoning, 2 whole eggs, 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and finally, this is completely optional, 28 grams of breadcrumbs. This adds a nice crunch and texture to it, but if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Alright, so first we are going to marinate the chicken. So let's add the ginger garlic paste, black pepper, the turmeric, paprika, the Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And set it aside for about 30 to 60 minutes. Next, into a bowl, let's add the all-purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder, red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and the breadcrumbs, which again are optional. Let's give that a quick little mix and set it aside. In another small bowl, let's go ahead and whisk the 2 whole eggs. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is now time to get your hands super dirty. So take each piece, dip it into the eggs, and coat it up with the batter as much as possible. At the end of it, you want to make sure you use up the entire batter and the eggs. Once everything is well breaded, the last thing we'll do before we bake them is coat them with some cooking spray. And finally, go ahead and bake them. I used an air fryer at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until they were crispy and well cooked in the inside. And just look at that. Indian style crispy fried chicken is all set. Alright guys, so now moving on to the most important part of this video, the calories and the macronutrient breakdown of this entire recipe. So this entire thing is to be divided into 4 servings, and each serving is about 450 calories, of which 35 grams are carbs, 13 grams are fat, and 46 grams are protein. I am telling you guys, it is freaking amazing. Do try it out. I've had it multiple times the last couple of weeks, and 1 serving is really filling, and it's just 450 calories. It doesn't get better than that. I am telling you, try it out. I am sure you will love it. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. I hope you try the recipe out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. And if you want to follow my personal fitness journey, you can again follow me on Instagram. I post content there on a daily basis. And that's pretty much it, guys. You take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.